What is the value of x in the factorial quadratic equation? Let us simplify the radicands of the radical. It implies that the sum of 1 and 9 factorial divided by 7 factorial and 4 factorial divided by 3 equals the sum of 1, 72 and 4, which equals to 81. Then find the square root of the result to get 9. As shown on the screen. We can now solve the equation for x. The square of x minus 12 times x plus 45 equals 9. Simplify and we have that. The square of x minus 12 times x plus 36 equals 0. Factorize and we have that. Square of x minus 6 times x minus 6 times x plus 36 equals 0. This simplify to the square of x minus 6 equals 0. Take the square root of the equation. This signify that 6 subtracted from x equals 0. Therefore, x equals to 6.